In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show state and city in Tableau using a map visual. Let's dive right in and start by opening the Tableau application. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you have the latest version to ensure smooth functionality. Once your Tableau app is up and running, you'll need to access your worksheet. This is where all your data and visual configurations will take place. Next, on your worksheet, locate the Marks card panel on the side. Here, you'll start by dragging Country to the Detail option under Marks. This action gives Tableau an understanding of your geographic data structure, specifically focusing on the country level. Once you've done that, go ahead and double-click on State. This step is essential as it ensures that the state-level data will be visualized on your map, allowing you to see boundaries and regions within each country. Now, it's time to add another dimension to your map by dragging City to the Detail section. This operation will ensure that your map is detailed enough to display city-level data within each state, providing a granular level of analysis. After organizing your data dimensions, click on the Latitude field, and while holding down the QTRL key, drag Latitude to create a copy on the row shelf. This step duplicates the latitude data, setting the stage for adding more complexity to your visual. After creating a latitude copy, the next task is to modify the display on the map. Click on latitude again, but this time remove the city from the second instance of latitude. This refinement is vital as it prevents overcrowding on your map, leaving your primary focus on states and providing clarity. Once you've cleaned up the latitude setting, switch the view to a map. This function transforms your data from a geographical layout into a visual representation, which is much easier to interpret. For aesthetic enhancement and to provide more context, you can add colors by dragging Sales to the Color section on the Marks card. This feature allows you to visually differentiate regions based on sales data, making your map not only informative but also visually engaging. For a final touch, click on the drop-down of the second latitude you've created. In the menu that appears, choose Dual Axis. By enabling dual axes, you combine both layers of your data, providing a comprehensive and interactive view of your geographical information. And there you have it, a detailed, multi-layered map in Tableau showcasing both state and city data with sales color coding for added insight. With these steps, you're now ready to explore and analyze geographical data like a pro. Remember to experiment with different data combinations and features in Tableau for even richer insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep visualizing.